Hey happy homemakers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an all-day clean with me. Anytime I clean something, I'm going to pick up the camera and film it. My hope is that this video will provide you with tons of great cleaning motivation. Today I'm really sleepy and the reason for that is really stupid. I was up super late just online shopping. I didn't even buy anything. I was just like window shopping basically. So I have my second cup of coffee and I'm just hoping this will wake me up. I rarely do 2 cups of coffee, but today I really need it. But hopefully filming it will give me the motivation I need and give you guys the motivation you need to get in and do some cleaning. So today I just have some light cleaning to do, just everyday chores like laundry and dishes, cleaning up after breakfast, that kind of a thing. But also recently my mom, who's been living us for the past while, has moved back to Utah, so I now have an office and I'm going to be redecorating that in a future video. But today I have a lot of rearranging of like my linen closet, my cleaning supplies, because now I have that closet for all our crafts and my filming equipment and stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing a lot of organization and rearranging in this video too. So I'm going to drink my coffee and hopefully start with the dishes, and then at some point today tackling this mess behind me too. Now, if you're new here, my name is Justine and I wanted to say hello and welcome. On my channel, I'm all about joyful motherhood, natural living, and an orderly and peaceful home. And I love encouraging other mamas to invest in their husbands, their homes, their children, and just to make home a really cozy place full of love for their family. So if you're interested in more content like that, please hit that red subscribe button down below, and I would love to be on this journey with you. And to everyone, thank you so much for coming back. It really means a lot to me that you guys watch my videos and enjoy them. And if you do, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel do so well on YouTube. Also, it's really encouraging as a creator when you guys leave comments letting me know what you like in the videos and what you want to see. It gives me a lot more ideas for planning out the next videos. So please leave me a comment down below with your thoughts and what you guys are most looking forward to for fall. So this is actually the kids' second breakfast. I hadn't cleared the table yet. So Coco and Marky both had a bowl of oatmeal, and then Chloe asked for cereal afterwards. Marcus had a bowl of oatmeal, a bowl of cereal. Marky was still hungry, so he went and grabbed the whole pot, and for some reason he's just really into eating it from the pot and the wooden spoon. So the kitchen is now nice and clean. I'm just soaking my Vitamix because I made some creamy baked potato soup yesterday, which was really good. I'll be sharing the recipe in a future video. Sorry if you can't hear me, the dishwasher's running. I will share the recipe soon. It was really good, but I forgot to rinse it out last night because it was kind of a crazy night. We had a lot of people over for dinner, and everyone loved it. So the potatoes are like really stuck on there. So I'm just gonna let it soak for a little bit. I'm going to let all my dishes air dry over here. And then I also forgot to wash my pan last night, and so it was really rusty today. Normally I want to wash it right away, but I just didn't get to it. So it's drying there on the stove. Marcus and Coco have been in and out of the now spare room over here. I'm planning to do a lot of stuff to just kind of make this room a bit more homey. Right now it still has some furniture that we're going to be moving out of here, but it's going to be my office slash craft room slash our homeschooling room, and I'm going to keep a lot of their toys in here. So I have a lot to do in here. It's really messy right now. I'm going to be cleaning this up a little bit today. But yeah, they've been having a lot of fun having a play space besides their room. And it helps our living room stay cleaner, and also my bedroom stays a lot cleaner too. So it's been great. We have the chalkboard in here because we've been doing homeschool, and we've been bringing this table in. Also, this beautiful, beautiful bookcase has been, it's an antique. It's been in my grandma's house ever since I can remember. She gave it to my mom, and now my mom passed it on to me. So I'm really excited to be using it in here. Do you have anything to say? Mommy. Coco is on the potty, so I didn't go help her get finished up. Oh, it's a baby egg?
Yeah, the baby chicks on them.
There's baby chicks in them? Oh, thank you. You're so sweet to help, Marky. Now, while Marcus and Coco are busy playing, I'm going to do some laundry while watching a TV show. So I just took a quick break from folding the laundry to make a quick lunch. We had the leftover potato soup. It was really yummy. And now I'm just going to continue folding until it's time to do something fun with Marcus and Coco. So I'm now going to attempt to clean in here. They've been playing all morning, which is great. It's 1 o'clock now, so we have an hour before nap. I'm just going to try to tidy up a little bit. I'm not doing any major rearranging or anything right now, but there's a lot of stuff that they've just pulled out and I've put in here, so it needs to be tidied up. Also, we're not really doing any like activities today because they've just been playing with Legos almost all day and cleaning with me, so it's been really great. So I'm just gonna keep cleaning as long as they'll let me.
Okay, I'll find my
Okay, so it's not perfect. I didn't get a lot done, but this is gonna have to do for now. My desk area is all tidied. All of that stuff back there is for Goodwill. That's gonna stay there for now. I didn't get a chance to put any books in there, but I did do a lot of work in here. It's about time for the kids to go down for naps, so they're still playing. They've been doing great. Anyway, so I have all of my crafting stuff, my filming equipment. I moved our printer in here. I just need to grab an extension cord. It'll be nice to have it kind of hidden inside of here. And then in these 4 drawers down, I have all our homeschool stuff. I need to organize this a little bit better, but it's going to be really great for homeschooling, especially since we're doing school in this room. I need to get Chloe another one of these books because she is getting to that age where she can start doing a little bit. Okay, you hide the egg. And then I have like the big things like charts and big workbook stuff like that. And then these are just random things of toys I need to go through. So I also have some more YouTube stuff and then all my Poshmark clothes in here. So I need to go get them ready for nappy time, but I'm really happy with how much I got done. Okay, so it's actually a new day. I didn't end up finishing up the video the other night because I really didn't do much more cleaning. I ended up just working through the kids' nap and then making a really quick dinner and then going off to an appointment. So I'm gonna wrap up the video today. I still have that pile of stuff that I have not yet gone through, and then also I'm gonna try to move a few of these books into that other room. I just cleared out that bookshelf. I should have filmed that, but I forgot to grab the camera. Anyway, so this is just full of books that we don't read every day, so I don't really see a need for them to be in here. And this bookshelf is like ready to just fall over. So that is actually going to be thrown away. Anyway, so I'm going to just start with these clothes on my bed and then start moving the books into the other room. Okay, so all we have left over here is this return that needs to go back to ASOS. It was a really cute shirt. It just fit me. It was so funny, but I really loved it. I was very sad about that. And then these are a couple of maternity clothes that I need to go put out in storage. Okay, so it's actually really clean back there because I just did my fall cleaning routine in this bedroom and just moved it and cleaned everything. But I do need to figure out something to do with this because that's kind of not a good look. I might have to run it to the other plug on the other side. But yeah, it's nice to have that out of there. Now I'm just gonna move all the books into that other room. Okay, so I have all the books in here. There's actually a lot more space in this than in the other one. So basically this whole top shelf is empty and there's more room on this side of these. I put the nice looking books in the middle out on front. I'll probably have this shelf for my books because I do have a lot of stuff just kind of piled over here that I need to go through. But yeah, it looks really nice, and now I'll go show you how our bedroom looks. And also I just put one candle up on top, and I think it just looks really pretty to have it just be really simple and minimal and just let the piece be the focal point. And it's really a beautiful cabinet. Okay, so here is our bedroom now, at least this side. I think it looks so much less cluttered and just really, really peaceful. I want our room to be like a sanctuary, to just be a place where we get ready in the morning, do our morning devotional together, and just take everything out that is a distraction and everything like that. Anyways, so I think this corner looks so much better. I brought this in from the living room, this fake fig tree from IKEA, and the baskets from Home Goods. I don't know if this is what will stay there, but I thought it needed something to kind of hide all those outlets behind it and just like bring a little bit of brightness into the corner, and I think that actually looks really good there. We'll see if it stays. Daniel may want something, there I am. Daniel may want something like some sort of basket or something to have, you know, the stuff that he wants in the morning time or in the evening. On here on his nightstand are just his devotionals, and then over on my side I have my devotionals in this basket, and then my workout stuff there, and behind the mirror I have a yoga mat, and then I just have my Bible here, and just some bedside table books and my castor oil packs and stuff, which is for deep relaxing. It's amazing. I talk more about it in my productive mom evening routine if you guys are interested. It's amazing. Anyways, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really looking forward to the rearranging and the reorganizing and the redecorating in that other spare room now. So I'm going to be filming the process. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this one. I am so happy with my room right now. It just feels so peaceful, and it's been staying, I think I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but my room has been staying so much cleaner because there's like almost no clutter in here. It's just clothes and stuff we need for bedtime and in the morning. It's just so relaxing and nice. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see of the process of, you know, moving everything around in my house. I hope you're all having a wonderful fall day, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye everyone.